What are code comments?
The code comments are lines in your code that are ignored by the computer when it runs your program. Their main purpose is to help humans understand what the code does. There are several different types of comments, and knowing when to use each one can make your code easier to read, maintain, and debug.
Inline comments explained.
Inline comments are brief explanations added on the same line as a piece of code. They usually describe a specific statement or clarify why something is written a certain way. Use inline comments for short notes that help future readers, but avoid overusing them, as too many can clutter your code and make it harder to follow.
Block comments and their use.
Block comments span multiple lines and are typically placed above a section of code or a function. They explain the purpose, logic, or important details about that section. Block comments are helpful for summarizing complex code, outlining steps, or providing context that goes beyond a single line.
Understanding Docstring comments.
Docstring comments are special comments used in languages like Python to document modules, classes, and functions. Unlike regular comments, docstrings are written inside triple quotes and can be accessed by documentation tools. They describe what a function does, its arguments, return values, and more, making your code self-documenting and user-friendly.
Best practices for commenting code.
Use inline comments for clarifying tricky lines, block comments for explaining larger code sections, and docstrings for providing complete documentation of functions and classes. Keep your comments clear, concise, and up-to-date. Well-commented code is easier for others to read, understand, and maintain, especially as projects grow in size and complexity.